Hey there mga my loves, Taurus! Yan, thank you so much for always staying here with me in this channel. So bago natin simulan ang inyong October 2023 reading mga babes, no reminders na hindi ito for everybody. So just pick up the messages you think are for you. At kung feel mo na ang reading na to ay para sa'yo, then this reading might really for you. And syempre wala tayong gender here. Baal lalaki, LGBT crosswatchers, you're all welcome here mga babes. Just stick how this resonates and please apply this into your own unique situation. Kaya naman, without further ado, let's begin. And let's see what do we have here for you. Taurus. So, Spirits and Angel guys, Archangel Michael. Thank you so much. Can you please tell me what do we have here for my Taurians, please, for the month of October 2023. Taurus, October 2023, please. Taurus. Taurus, October 2023. Okay, so let's see. Wow, Taurus, looks like you're imagining here something, envisioning right here for the month of October. Manifestation it is, and it looks like you're enjoying, ha. Ibig sabihin, connecting ka sa iyo ritong intuition, nakaalay ng iyong intention sa actions mo, yung mindset mo, very good, no? Kung ano man yan, tuloy-tuloy na mga babes, no? Kasi nakita tayo dyan ng wish fulfillment for you guys. So, maaari makapansin ka dito ng progress. We have here number 63. When you add it up, what will you get? Number 9. So, there is luck right here. It has something to do with your wish coming true. Whatever it is that you're manifesting, continue doing that kasi nakakita tayo dito ng progress at maaari makakita ka na ng mga signs and clues na yung mga manifestations mo ay nangyayari or meron na ritong progress, no, na mapapansin ka. And we have here the collaboration. Oh, it looks like nakakita tayo dito, no, ng mas makikipag-cooperate pa sa'yo dito yung team mo, sa work mo, sa community mo, no. Hindi ka nila bibigyan ng sakit sa ulo. Tingnan mo, nakakuha na naman tayo ng number 9 right here. So you could be seeing a lot of 9 right here. So you got number 45. When you add it up, we'll get 9. So, 4 plus 5 is 9. Yan, no? Nakita tayo ng wish fulfillment dito. So, tuloy-tuloy lang. Yung iba na yung wini-wish may kinalaman sa trabaho or pakikipag-collaborate ng iba sa inyo. Pwedeng trabaho yan, pera yan, or yung iba, no, bakang ang minamanifest ninyo is makipag collaborate or maging iisa na, no, ang inyong damdamin ng person na tinitingnan mo. Whether that's love, whether that's commitment, whether that's work, finances, business, job, I can see that everything is in line right here in your favor. So, tuloy-tuloy lang mga babes, no? At saka kung ikaw yung leader dito, mukhang nakikinig dito yung team mo yan, no? I think this is you. Okay? If this is something here na bagong promotion or promoted ka rito sa trabaho, I can see, no, na makikipag-cooperate sa yung team mo dito. So, magandang start na nakikita natin dito kasi hindi ka nila bibigyan ng sakit ng ulo, okay? Yung Taurus kasi may pagkaminsan, may pagka-meticulous, no? Focus kasi kayo, no, sa details. Detail-oriented kasi kayo mga babes, no? Kaya, kapag konting mali lang, no, parang medyo gusto nyo ulitin ulit kasi nga, hindi naman sa perfectionist kayo, pero gusto nyo kasi yung quality work. So, I can see, no, na meron ditong makikinig talaga, no, sa sasabihin mo if you are the leader right here. Or if you are not the leader here, I can see, no, kung sino man tong partner mo or if you are in a group or in a department, no, everything right here is tuloy-tuloy lang. Wala rito yung, ay, mamaya na, besh. Kasi may ginagawa pa ako eh. Yung parang ganun. Wala rito yung pasaway, no, na magbibigay ng sakit sa ulo sa inyo on October. Smooth sailing lang tayo dito pagdating sa trabaho, no? At kung ano itong minamanifest ninyo, sunod pa talaga, double lucky 9 right here is para sa'yo, Taurus. Kaya kung ano man yan, no, na ini-envision mo dito, pwede may kinalaman sa work or pagiging isa, no, sa mind rito at sa hangarin nyo with that person here, with this group of people, sa community, may pagkakaisa sa bahay, pwede rin yan, no, or sa kung saan ka rito nakatira, pwede rin naman yan. Wala rito mga kapitbahay at mga marites na bubulabog sa katahimikan mo para sa buwan ng Oktubre. So, ibig sabihin mapayapa rito mga babes na ang iyong life. See? Good night sleep ang nakukuha natin for you guys. Sweet dreams is right here. At talaga naman, no? Na kung ano man to. Okay, na buwan na ito, no? Ito yung buwan na makakapagpahinga ka. Wala masyado rito manggagambala sa'yo. Walang problema. At syempre, paano hindi good night sleep? Alam mo yun mga babes, no? Yung mga nakalagay sa ulo mo na buwan, mga bituin na yan, no? Kasi this is you. You are feeling already the energy na matutupad rito yung kung anong minamanifest mo na yan. I'm sorry about the lighting, okay? So, yun nga mga babes, so nakikita ko rito na kung sino-sino man itong mga energy na nakaka-resonate dito, sweet dreams is for you. This is you. Wala pa man din tong wish fulfillment na pinagbabanggit ko, pero alam mong parating na yan kasi nararamdaman mo. And I can see that for a lot of you, you're gonna receive this or you're gonna see progress or changes, positive changes dito sa when you wish at minamanifest mo. Kaya tuloy-tuloy lang. See, nakikita ko rito, no, na mas mapayapa, no, ang buwan ng October for you guys. Let's see at the bottom of the deck. Woo! Mukhang meron rito mga babes, no, na kung ano man itong ini-imagine niyo. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, pwedeng sa trabaho, pwedeng sa love life rin, no. I can see someone here seeing you eye to eye. There's love in both of your eyes right here, and it looks like you're gonna meet your future spouse this month of October right here. Wow, and it is what is you're desiring deep down within you. See, look at that. These are all positive things right here. So what more can you ask for? I can see right here that it is a powerful soulmate connection because we've got number 6. Marriage is on the line and this is gonna be a sweet love. So this person could be romantic, sweet right here. At nakikita ko dito na parang ano kayo, matchy-matchy kayo. Couple shirt, couple shoes, yan. Nakita ko ng couple cups. Pares kayo ng sombrero. So, yan mga babes, no? So, whatever the case may be, I can see that this will be a very supportive couple with each other. Okay? It's like you're gonna be, having as well a best friend sa katauhan nitong person na to. Yung iba, no, pwedeng nasa buhay nyo na siya, no, pero you're manifesting your marriage, no, with that particular person right here. Sa iba, pwedeng makikilala nyo palang ito, no, in this month of October. Ang taray talaga mga babes, no. So, yeah. Okay, no. At nakakuha ko rito ng very specific thing, no. So, baka may madapa dito. Yan, no. Ay, hindi yun sa kay drama na pag nadapa kayo tapos biglang may aalalay sa inyo, bigyan kayong band-aid. Hindi ganon. So, nakikita ko dito na maaari kasing may madapa dito, no, kasi baka may nagmamadali, yan, mga babes, no. Ingat-ingat lang, no, sa kalsada, no, especially, kung namamadali ka, hindi mo nakikita kung mayroon bang, nakaharang na sumobrang paa ng mesa. Sumobrang paa ng mesa. May kanto pala dyan, no. Yan, ingat-ingat, no, kasi nakakatry dito ng madadapa talaga. Yan, no. So, yeah. Okay, so tingnan pa natin rito, Taurus, kung ano pang meron dito for the month of October. Ang ganda. Kasi dito pa lang, no, may wish fulfillment na kayong natatanaw dyan, no, for each other. Nakikita natin dito. Okay. So, oh! See? We've got here the 10 of Cups energy. Family! I can see you here building your life with this person here. There's these blessings here. And emotional fulfillment. You're gonna feel this. You're gonna feel this. Yeah. Na ito na talaga yung the one for you right here. You're gonna live with this person here together with your children, mga anak right here. Papatayo kayo dito ng sarili ninyong house and home that you're gonna call your own. Yan. So, I can see, no, that you will be thanking God. Yan, no, pares kayo, no, tinataas nyo dito yung arms ninyo, no. It's like, this is you being grateful, no, natagpuan nyo yung isa't isa in this lifetime. It's like, you're thanking God right here because pinagtagpo kayong dalawa. Yeah. Taurus, mga my loves. Ganun pa natin, ano pang meron, wait, ayusin natin yung focus na ating Alright. So, wow, Taurus. And it looks like you do not see this coming, but you're feeling it. See? Or yung iba baka nagmamanifest every night before going to sleep. It's working, honey. Continue doing that. Okay. Yung iba talagang kahit hindi nagkakape talaga, no? Talagang nagkakape sila. Kasi parang yung iba, specific to but not for everybody, nagkakape sila hapon pa lang, no? At para meron silang time para makapag-manifest at night. Kasi busy yung schedule ninyo. Alam niyo naman, mga Taurus, busy, daming ginagawa, no? Buong maghapon, no? And sometimes, pag overtime na kayo sa work or sa school, no? Gusto niyo may time pa rin kayo para mag-manifest rito, mag-envision, no? Mas ma-relax yung mind ninyo, no? Or para makapaglaan kayo ng time for manifestation, no? Gumagawa talaga kayo ng action. So, very good. Tuloy-tuloy niyo lang yun, no? So, let's see more. That's the Taurus energy. I'm a proud Taurian. Yeah. I'm also a Taurian myself. Okay. So, let's see. Right. 5 of Swords energy. 8 of Cups. And there's this 10 of Swords. Latagnan muna natin lahat. See, it's a strong soulmate connection. And, nakakita ko rito, mga babes. So, see, you have double new beginnings right here with someone here who has his or her own trono. The King of Wands energy. Wala tayong gender dito, mga mahal, no? Pero kung sino to Taurus, no, this person will be so attracted to you. Like, this person right here is gonna love all the things about you, your physical attributes, your physical appearance, your pag-uugali, characteristics, personalities, everything. I can see double new beginnings with this person right here. This person is actually gaining some kind of truth right here that you are the one and that he or she wants to start this passionate new beginning in love with you. And yeah, this is someone who you're gonna be with in the future. Siya yung makakasama mo in the future. Pero teka lang, kasi meron pa rito, ikaw kailangan ritong harapin, no? I can see someone here, no, na napaka-young ng energy niya. Hindi young by age, pero pwedeng ganun, no? Pero this is the energy of someone here na nakikita ko na magbabalik rito sa buhay mo, pero hindi niya i-admit rito. Yan, no? Magmamatigas pa rin siya, hindi niya i-admit rito, mga babes, no, na meron kayo ditong pinagdaan ng masalimuot noon, no, at hindi kayo makakarinig sa kanya ng apology na nakita ko. Magbabalik kayo sa buhay ninyo, alam niya siya may kasalanan, pero hindi niya i-admit yun. This is totally your ex right here. I can see pagmamatigas right here in this person, and this person is seeing your glow up. This person is watching your social media account right here. This person is seeing you. You're gaining here some kind of a success in your work. Actually, this person here is gonna know also about the news in your love life. Okay? If dumating na to sa buhay ninyo or parating pa lang to, no, malalaman niyo yun. Yan yung kita ko dito. And this person right here is actually do not talk to you, giving you a silent treatment right here after abandoning you. From that day na inabandon niya kayo, binigyan ng silent treatment rito. Hindi niya na kayo kinausap. Pero this person is matagal-tagal na rin niya kayo ritong pinagmamasdan. I think 5 to 7 months na, no, na pinagmamasdan niya kayo dito. Wala siyang ginagawa. Siguro kasi mga babes, no, yung iba sa inyo, hindi kayo ganun ka-post online, no. At hindi rin niya alam rito kung may success na ba na nangyayari sa buhay ninyo or wala, no? So, it's like this is you. Hindi ka ganun kaingay sa social media about the happening sa buhay mo. Pero ngayon, I think this person right here, makakasagap siya ng balita. Either hindi sa social media mo, pero pwedeng sa social media ng common friends ninyo. Pwedeng lumbas kayo, tapos sinabi, nung nilagay na caption ng friend ninyo. Example na ito, mga babes, no? Parang nilagay sa caption ng friends ninyo na common individual na thank you sa libre, Taurus. Yan, no? Congratulations sa promotion mo. Parehas kayong friend nyo yon sa social media. So, nakita ko dito, mga babes, no, na pwedeng yun nga yung sinabi, no, either tinag kayo nun or hindi kayo tinag, no, pero syempre, may evidence. So, I think the news is all over the town, no? Or naririnig niya na. So, nakikita ko rito, no, na yun yung signal na iniintay niya. See, hindi niya willing na i-admit itong kasalanan niya sa inyo. So, this ex is totally someone here who's still immature pa rin. No? Babalik siya sa buhay mo rito kasi may nangyayari rito magaganda sa lives mo eh. And then nakikita ko. Pero you're not paying attention to whoever this person is. Kasi you've got someone here. This person could be already in your life or others. And this person could be entering your life. So, even though na hindi pa to nag-i-enter sa life niyo at sa October pa lang, no, wala pa rin kayo at wala na talaga kayong plano na bumalik dito sa ex ninyo dahil matagal na kayong natauhan dito. No? Tinulungan kayo ni Universe rito no, na makapagsimula because we have here double new beginnings. This is you not going back, okay, dito sa person na to, and this is you fighting here for the life that you want. And I can see that everything is happening in alignment sa kung ano man yung gusto mong mangyari sa buhay mo. So, continue doing that. At saka, ikaw to na nakakatulog ka na ng payapa dito, no? I'm seeing someone here na nahirapan kayo matulog noon because of this person here. Pero now, this person is watching you, I think, 5 to 7 months already. Okay, and that's really specific right here. So, I think it keeps on going on and going on. And for others of you, baka mas matagal ka pa nga nitong sinusubaybayan. Pero, naghihintay lang siya rito ng signal kung ikaw ba talaga ay successful na or what. See, may motive, may motibo, 'di ba? So, isa pa rin siya ritong 'di ba, na person. So, I think this person right here is now actually seeing the reality or about to see the reality na baka masoplak nyo siya, no? Na wala na talaga kayong pakialam. Kasi, makikipagkita to sa inyo. Pero masosoplak nyo siya. Okay, maaring October mga babes na masoplak nyo siya in a way na pwedeng isin nyo lang yung chat niya or text niya, or pwedeng after nyo sagutin yung tawag niya with that unknown number right here after hearing his or her name. I'm sorry kasi may ginagawa pa kami, may meeting kasi kami, kailangan akong tapusin, blah blah blah, okay bye. It's like you're giving this person right here that you have no power to control my life anymore. Yan. So, whatever the case may be, it's like you're telling this person, get lost. Ang taray. So, yun nga nakikita ko dito. Well, you've got someone here, no, na handa ka talagang pakasalan, no. Alam mo, ito, nakukuha ko rito, ito yung person dati na pwedeng nagbuo kayo rito ng mga pangarap together, papakasal kayo rito, no? Pero alam mo, mga babes, no? Ikaw yung ang ganun-ganun, ang ganda-ganda ng pag-i-envision mo, no? Pero kung sa side niya, yung titingnan ko, nakikita ko rito na oo lang siya na oo sa'yo, no? Pero hindi ka niyan gagastusan sa kasal ninyo. Baka nga napipilitan pa at baka ikaw pa ang gumastos at mag-cover ng lahat ng gagastusin sa kasal na yan. You're dealing with lazy. Wala siyang pangarap sa life, mga babes, no? Hindi talaga nagsaswak ang inyong energy dahil ang isang Taurus ay hindi tamad. Okay. Advice for my Taurus right here. Ayan kasi, ano siya eh, lalapit siya sa inyo ulit. Hindi ko naman siya nakikita ang manggugulo rito, no? Pero yun nga, no, nakikita ko siyang magpaparamdam sa inyo. Ayan. So, nauna pa siya sa buwan ng Nobyembre. Ayan. No? Maybe this person could have ghosted you. Maybe this person left you, di ba? Inabando na kanya. We're getting that. Tapos simula nun, silent treatment na. Okay. Let's see. Oh, yeah, here the choose a new direction. Of course, that is what the universe is telling you, not to go back right here with your ex-person, no, na nakaka-topic lang natin, no. So, the spirits are saying, choose a new direction because there's no light in there. Kung ano yung direction na tinuturo sa'yo ni universe, no, ibig sabihin, ayan, no, see, swak to, na dito ka pumunta. Ayun, no, ang liwanag ay nandito sa new person right here. Eto, si Queen, si King of Wands energy na nakikita ka bilang kanyang queen. Wala tayong gender dito, mga babes, no, this is the one. Yan, no, sa kanya siya kayo tinuturo, no. Wow, Taurus, diba? Ito yung ex mo, nandito siya, eh, no. So, ibig sabihin, the universe is really pointing you to the new person and not going you not letting you to go back to that past person in there. And we have here the a year from now. Yeah, a year from now, mga babes, no, nakikita ko rito that pwedeng you're gonna marry this person right here. Mamimit mo siya no October, and a year from now, maaring magpakasal na kayong dalawa ng tao niyan, or a year from now, or might be next year before that year ends, no? You're manifesting some kind of marriage with this person na pwedeng already connecting na with you. Yeah, I can see everything in alignment right here in your favor. And your angels and spirit guides are with you. See? They're making up this whole world right here, mga babes, no? This is a new world right here for you. This is that world na sobrang different. Walang betrayals doon, walang confusion, wala rin doon yung ex mo at may healing sa mundo na yan. So, wow! Taurus! Claim all of this, mga may loves, no? Kasi ito talaga ang nararapat at nababagay sa'yo. Stand firm, chin up, and you're gonna receive all the love and blessings in the world. So, thank you so much, Taurus. Sarang I love your life. Annyeong!